Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters, Junction City, Oregon, 2019. I'm Gary.Christiance, but you know me as a van guy. I got you a great find today, a 2008 Pleasureway Ascent. It's a 7 chassis, so it's got a 5-cylinder, and these 5 cylinders are reported to get over 25 miles per gallon. Let's take a peek inside. 39,000 miles. It's currently over here getting detailed and checked in. So this Mercedes van is 20 feet long, a nice cruiser driver. Of course, your couch makes down into a twin or queen bed. You've got your TV, your Clarion DVD player. It does all the stuff the newer ones do. Good storage. Up above, we'll catch the storage underneath the couch when we go out back. Light controls are here. It's even got a phone jack. That's back when we're plugged in. No internet. It's got a nice little closet here. You've got an inverter here, so that will work for you to make electricity and not have to turn on the generator. Little closet. You can open up this bottom to have long things hanging down below. Ultra leather, memory foam, jealousy windows. They crank out on both sides for the fantastic fan to help circulate air. Monitor panels here, generator, hot water start. It's got a microwave, not room for a convection, and then nice 3-way refrigerator, freezer up on top. Access to the hot water heater for a bypass. Nice spacious bathroom. Lights up on top. Got a window for ventilation. Mirror and a sink. Little spot down below for your soaps, and then a towel hanger. Plus they installed a coat hanger in here to be able to utilize that. Now this one's got an air compressor built in, so you can actually take the airbags in the rear, make a much firmer ride, or if you're parked someplace, you can lower one and raise the other one and kind of semi-level it. It's a nice little feature, and having the compressor, you don't have to pull in somewhere to get air. You can just do it right here, and you've got all the gauges for both, which is really nice. All the owner's information, 5-speed transmission, pair of mirrors, pair of windows and locks. And you know, if you don't like the radio, I got a guy that'll pull that out and put a soft touch screen, nav, Bluetooth and all that in there for you for very little money. He does great work. Let's pop outside. Corian countertops. There's a nice little extension here for the kitchen. Full-length awning. It's a hand crank. You crank it right up there. It'll come out a few inches, or go out as far as 8 feet. It's got legs that come down and attach to the side of the vehicle to help make it, if the wind came up, it wouldn't go flying away. Now your spare, it's a full-size spare tire. It's mounted on the back. You release these pins down here, it'll fold down out of the way. You got your trailer hitch, your wiring already on the back, and then you can see your storage underneath. Comes with a nice set of tire chains. Good rubber. Furnace is right here, intake and exhaust, hot water heater. This is your short cord cable TV, a phone jack to turn your propane on and off, city water connection. And then this is your outdoor shower, hot and cold water. Dump stations right here, gray and your black tank. And if you look right over here, it's where the sewer hose storage area is, so it's easy to get to. Being that this does run on diesel, behind door number 1 is door number 2, so your fill spot is protected so somebody can't tamper with it or remove it. The seats do adjust up or down, and then reclines back here. This part goes up and down, and of course the seat slides forward. If you've got questions on this, get a hold of me direct. Email's on the screen. You can call me direct at 541-554-9581. Ask for the van guy. Thanks for your time.